Good morning everyone. I am Payal Rathore from Chemistry Department. Today I am going to present on nucleic acid, component of nucleic acid. So I am starting with first slide, which is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are long chain polymeric molecules with the monomer known as nucleotide. This is why they are often referred to as polynucleotide. There are primarily two types of nucleic acid. First one is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, ribonucleic acid, and my second slide is deoxyribonucleic acid. What is deoxyribonucleic acid? DNA is nothing. It's composed of pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and some cyclic bases containing nitrogens. The sugar moiety present in DNA is beta D2 deoxyribose. The cyclic bases that have nitrogen in them are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. And what is RNA? RNA molecule is also composed of phosphoric acid, pentose sugar, and some cyclic bases contain nitrogen. RNA has beta D ribose as a sugar moiety. The heterocycle bases present in RNA are adenine, guanine, and cytosine uracil. The difference between RNA and guanine is that the fourth bases which are present in DNA is thymine, but in RNA is uracil. And what is a component of nucleic acid? We have some chart. According to the chart, nucleic acid have subtype, which is nucleotide. Nucleotide is divided into three components. First one is nitrogen base, second one is sugar, third one is phosphoric acid. Sugar is divided into two parts. One part is ribose sugar, which is RNA, and second part is deoxyribose sugar, which is DNA. And nitrogen bases is of two types. First one is purine, second one is pyrimidine bases. Purine is two types, adenine, guanine, and pyrimidine has three types, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Now, first one we have nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases is divided into two parts, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is a heterocyclic aromatic organic fused with imidazole ring. It comprises adenine and guanine as a nucleic acid. It consists of two hydrogen bond ring and four nitrogen atoms. The melting point of purine is 214 degrees Celsius. And what is pyrimidine? Pyrimidine is heterocyclic aromatic organic compound that is composed of carbon and hydrogen. It comprises cytosine, thymine, and uracil as a nucleic acids. It consists of one hydrogen carbon ring and two nitrogen atoms. The melting point of pyrimidine is 22 degrees Celsius. We have structures regarding purines and pyrimidine, adenine and cytosine and thymine. We have seen in the chart. Now I'm going to second point, which is sugar. There are two types of sugar present in nucleic acid. The sugar moiety present in DNA molecule is beta D2 deoxyribose, whereas RNA has beta D ribose moiety. We have some chart regarding sugar. D ribose. First one is D ribose, which are an aldopentose, and second one is beta D ribose, and third one is beta D2 deoxyribose. And now I have it D2 and deoxy D ribose. Now I'm going to phosphoric acid residue. It links adjacent nucleotide DNA together through phosphodiester bonds, connecting the carbon of one sugar to the 5,5- carbon of one sugar to the third carbon of the next, creating the sugar phosphate bond. We have structure regarding H3PO4 attached with phosphorus attached with 3 hydroxyl group, no oxygen. Now I'm going to nucleoside and nucleotide slide. What is nucleotide? Nucleotide is a compound that consists of purine or pyrimidine bases combined with deoxyribose or deoxyribose. Nucleotide is the building block of nucleic acid. They are composed of 3 subunits, and at least one phosphate group. Example AMF, AMP, ADP and ATP. We have chart. Basis is adenine, guanine and cytosine and thymine, and this is the deoxyribonucleic acid. We call deoxyadenosine, deoxyguanosine, deoxycytosine. Abbreviation we have DAP or DGMP. Now I'm going to structure of nucleotide of DNA. DNA nucleoside consists of deoxyribose sugar and nitrogenous bases adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine linked by beta glycosidic bond at the one carbon of the sugar. It is structurally similar to nucleotide but lack the phosphate group. This is the structure of nucleoside of DNA. First one is deoxyadenosine, and second one is deoxyguanosine, and third one is deoxycytidine, and fourth one is deoxythymine. Now the structure of nucleotide of RNA. An RNA nucleoside consists of ribose sugar linked to the nitrogenous bases adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil via an glycosidic bond. Unlike a nucleotide, a nucleoside does not have a phosphate group. The ribose sugar has a 5-carbon sugar with hydroxyl group 2-OH group at the second carbon position. This is the structure of nucleoside of RNA. We have a structure one is adenosine and second structure 2 guanosine, third structure is cytosine and fourth structure is thymidine. Now I'm going to structure of nucleotide of DNA. A DNA nucleotide consists of a 3-part deoxyribose sugar, a phosphate sugar group, and one of the 4 nitrogenous bases adenine and guanine, cytosine and thymine. These nucleosides are linked together to form a chain with the sugar and phosphate group forming the backbone and the bases projecting from the backbone. This is the structure of the nucleotide of RNA. And now structure of the nucleotide of RNA. RNA nucleotide consists of 3 parts. Ribose sugar, phosphate sugar and one of the 4 nitrogen bases adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. These nucleotides link together via phosphodiester bond between 5' carbon of one sugar and the 3rd' carbon of the next, forming a single strand backbone with bases stacked form. This is the structure of nucleotide of rDNA. Now I'm going to last second slide, which is partial structure of polynucleotide of DNA. The monomeric deoxynucleotide in DNA are held together by D3' to 5' phosphodiester bridges. This is the structure as we seen in the structure that 5' sugar is linkage with phosphate group, and third dash sugar carbon attached to nitrogenous bases. Always remember the polynucleotide start with 5' end with 3'. Always. Thank you everyone.